Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Afam again. Today I'll be taking you guys to Aso Rock in Abuja, which is Nigeria's seat of power, and I'll be showing you what Aso Rock looks like in 2021. But before we get into it, please, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, please, and you haven't subscribed, please also subscribe and leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about the video. Now let's get into it. I think where I am right now is the Central Area District or Central Area in Abuja. I'm not sure, but in a few minutes I'll be taking you guys. I'll be driving to Aso Rock.
Give me victory. Oh, why? Because you are my Lord, my everything. Spirit, 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 a friendly time of need. When things look rough and stormy, I can stand up tall and smile. Why? Because you are my ever-present help. Because you are my Lord, my everything. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love
me. So guys, we're currently in Aso Rock. I had to be careful in order not to be caught filming.
Daddy, Father, you are to me. In the midst of circumstances, I can raise my head up high. Oh, why? Because you are the strong-breasted one. Why? Because you are my Lord, my everything. than hell. Oh, why? Because you are my Lord, my everything. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. Lord, I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. Through the storm and the rain, you never, never let me down. When I call upon your name, you never, never let me down. Through the storm and the rain, you never, never let me down. When I call upon your name, you never, never let me down. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. You're my father and my friend. I love the way you love me. Through the storm and the rain, I love the way you love me. Yes, I love the way you love. I love the way you love. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me. Come in the music. Wicked Richard and Rubber Dog. I love the way you love me. I love the way you love me.
Guys, that will be all for today's video on Aso Rock. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new, or if you haven't subscribed. Leave a like, leave a comment in the comment section, and click the bell icon so that you always know when I upload a video.